Cambugahay Waterfalls.
We reached the water.
Yeah. Because of all the motorbikes here. What? Yeah.
And now we're off, going down the 135 steep steps to the waterfall. See you there.
The waterfalls has 3 levels, but most people stay at the lowest level because it has the deepest and largest catch basin where you can swim in.
This is a 3-tiered waterfall where it's just a short hike down all them steps to get to where people can come and go swimming. They have, so you can see here, they have swings there, which I didn't get to do the swing there because Sheila was afraid that I would not let go of the rope at the right time. But I've done it before. But see these waterfalls, there's really a lot of water flowing. It was really nice.
Okay, sweetie. Here you come. Then just sit down. I don't know, we're gonna go over there.
The water is really clear. You can't tell it that well in this video. There's fish in their water too. You can see them swimming around you. The water too is not deep, well up by the waterfall itself, but the rest of it's only maybe shoulder deep or so, maybe four feet. That unless you get up right next to the waterfall, it's not deep.
Okay, we're here at the waterfall. The water's really deep over there. Over there.
It's called Cambugahay Falls.
You want to do a selfie? Turn around. There's the waterfall.
There you go.
There we go. Behind us, that's the waterfall. We met you here.
We made it.
We did the waterfall because
It's so deep.
all of us don't know how to swim.
And that's me.
Okay.
It's worth it to go.
Yes, it's a good place to go. There, see? Oh my goodness. There. Okay.
Okay, hi, welcome to Wandering World. Shout out to Cry Vlog. See that waterfall stand? Look at that one.
Back
I
over
know you
there.
like this one. Cry Vlog. And Charlie's Siquijor today. We're here already. Siquijor. Look at that one. Bye!
There were some
Yeah,
really
look at that.
adventurous people there jumping off the waterfall.
They just love to jump and enjoy. They're not afraid like me. Just looking at it, I'm so afraid. I'm not going to jump. Enjoy watching, guys, more of our videos. Cambugahay Waterfalls is just simply amazing. The water is fresh, blue, as you can see, is it blue or green? Something like that.
Back up into it. Back close to it. Are you getting wet? Good, isn't it? Yeah. This is nice here. Yeah, that's good, isn't it?
Here's some pictures we took of just the waterfalls. As you can see, it's really nice. We went and sat up on top of the highest one, the one that was up furthest up the hill, and got some nice pictures there. You can see how nice it is. It's well worth coming here. Out of everything we did this day, going to the waterfalls was probably the highlight of the day. We're definitely going to come back. There's Sheila sitting at the top there. It's not slick. You don't have to. She was kind of afraid. She didn't sit real close to the edge, but there was people that were a lot closer than that. You can see I got a little closer to the edge. It was really nice. That we're probably going to go back there again someday, and I will be getting on that swing, paying my 50 pesos and swinging out there into the water.